Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a mechanical keyboard comparison between two top contenders, the Keychron Q2 and the Logitech MX Keys. Both are popular choices for different needs, but which one is better for you in 2025? Let's find out. Let's start with the Keychron Q2. This keyboard is a fan favorite among mechanical keyboard enthusiasts, especially for its customizability and premium build. The Q2 offers a full mechanical experience with hot swappable keys, so you can easily change the switches to match your typing style or preferences without soldering. The aluminum body provides a solid, high-end feel, and the RGB lighting is customizable, which is a big plus for those who love to personalize their setup. The Q2 also supports both wired and wireless connections, making it versatile for any workspace. One of the standout features of the Keychron Q2 is the typing experience. Whether you're into linear, tactile, or clicky switches, Keychron offers a variety of options to suit all types of typists. Plus, the hot swappable PCB means you can easily experiment with different switches without the need for technical expertise. Now, let's talk about the Logitech MX Keys. Unlike the Keychron Q2, the MX Keys is not a mechanical keyboard, but it's a premium membrane keyboard designed for comfort and productivity. What sets the MX Keys apart is its low-profile, quiet keys that provide a smooth, comfortable typing experience. If you're looking for a more traditional keyboard that's easy on the fingers and quieter than mechanical keyboards, the MX Keys is an excellent choice. The Logitech MX Keys features a sleek, minimalist design and is incredibly ergonomic with its curved keycaps. It also has an impressive battery life, with up to 10 days of use on a single charge, and it's perfect for those who need a reliable keyboard for work or long typing sessions. The MX Keys also has smart features, like automatic backlighting that adjusts to the ambient light in the room, and the ability to switch between multiple devices with ease. So, how do these two compare? Keychron Q2 is perfect for those who want a mechanical typing experience, prefer customizable switches, and enjoy a keyboard with a more premium build and RGB lighting. Logitech MX Keys, on the other hand, is a low-profile, quiet, and ergonomically designed keyboard with features aimed at productivity and comfort. In the end, it comes down to your personal preferences. If you want a mechanical keyboard for gaming or typing pleasure with customization options, the Keychron Q2 is a great choice. But if you need something more quiet, comfortable, and focused on productivity, the Logitech MX Keys might be the better pick. So, what's your choice? Keychron Q2 or Logitech MX Keys? Let us know in the comments below, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more comparisons like this one.